Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to speak faster this time because some people say that I talk too slow. Anyway, today I'm going to be doing the, what do you call this? Making the Alfa, can you see that? Look like a quadrifoglio, basically. I just basically am putting all quadrifoglio parts on my little stock Alfa to make it, nice. I like the quadrifoglio look, just didn't want to pay quadrifoglio prices, plus I didn't want the V6. So, with that being said, don't mind me and my glasses, I'm old. Let's get at it and let's see what we can do with this. I don't know. So you can see this is the side skirt extensions that will go here. Okay, some of the things you need for this, of course, you're going to need some painter's tape, heat gun, and some double-sided tape. So I'm going to try to put this on here. I got this piece from eBay actually, and it's not bad quality, came from China, but yeah, we'll see how this all goes on. I'm not even sure how this fits, man. So it's gonna be an adventure. So yeah, it's supposed to fit here. Let's see. So I just washed it, but I think before I put it on there, I'm just going to test how this thing fits on here. It's a weird fit. And it fits something, if you mess with it long enough, it fits something like this. Yeah, I believe like this, like this, like this. Okay. So after a mock-up, I'm putting it on here. Oh, Lord. I can't get up and down. The fitting, you have to play with it a little bit, but the fitting looks just about right. Yeah, this is going to be fun. Take your time with this. Hold on. Let me switch. Because good Lord, this is something that you really maybe... Okay, so the final look would probably be something like this. You're gonna have to get out your measuring tape and make sure that your spots are where they need to be. And then we'll start with the fun. Oh, that's kind of close. Let's hope this works. Oh. Now that's on there, I've got it taped on here, painter's tape. I don't know. It looks okay. I'm gonna keep this here. The very end looks like right here. It doesn't flush, or it is flush, but I think it just needs more pressure. But everything else looks good. So after hitting it with the heat gun, a little double-sided tape on, I'm gonna let this sit and see how it comes out. Filament was pretty good. I mean, it's flush all the way through. It looks like it's not here, but it's literally flush all the way through. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, I don't know. I'm tired though, I'll tell you that much. Okay, so looking at it again, coming up close, it's kind of seamless around it. Kind of cool. Let me look around on this side. Yeah, Look up closely. Make sure there's no, I mean, it's seamless all the way down. Little issue there, but I think I'll fix that. So far, so good. What do you guys think? Oh, wait, that goes in. All right, back. Project almost quadrifolio. Okay, so it is the next day, and I let the car sit for a little bit. I also let it, I guess you could say cure, I don't know. But let's see the final look. So here you go. If you're looking at it, it actually went on I think quite well. There's no, I still see a little bit, the fitment is not as good as I thought it'd be. Honestly, going to this side, I wanted it actually better than this, but this will do, I guess. I'll work at it a little bit more, but just so you guys know, I don't think anybody's done anything like this with these, and I'll put the link below of where I got these, and if you're interested and you want to know more, hit me up. Still got a little bit, I see some little imperfections here and there, so I'll clean that up. But yeah, all in all, not bad. So like I said, if you're interested in this kind of thing, making your Giulia look like a quadrifolio without the quadrifolio expenses, follow my channel. So with that being said, if you like the video, like, subscribe, blah blah blah, and till next time, late.